given that 6 to the power of 2n minus 3 is equals to 7776, find the value of n. The key to this one is finding the prime factors of 7776. So when we take 7776, we can of course divide it by 2, right? So 7776, I'm using my calculator here, divide by 2, that's going to be 3888. And then we can still divide this by 2 again. So 3888 divided by 2, that's going to give us 1944. Again, we can still divide this by 2, and that's going to give us 972. We can still divide that by 2. So by 2, this becomes 486. Again, we can go by 2. This becomes 243. So at this point, we cannot divide anymore by 2, but we can divide by 3. So 243 divided by 3, that's going to give us 81. And then we can divide this by 3 again, which is going to give us 27. And then we can still divide this by 3, and this is going to give us 9. And then by 3, this is going to give us 3. So now we can rewrite 7776 in terms of its prime factors. So this is going to be 2 to the power of, then we count the number of 2's. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 2 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of, then we count the number of 3's. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. So that's 2 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 5. So now our equation now becomes 6 to the power of 2n minus 3 is equals to 2 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 5. Now, anytime you are given x to the power of a times y to the power of a, so long as the powers are the same, this is the same as taking x times y and then raising that to the power of a. So this means our right side of the equation will now become 2 times the 3, and then we raise that to the power of 5. On the left, we still have 6 to the power of 2n minus 3. So 6 to the power of 2n minus 3 is equals to 2 times 3, that's going to be 6, and then to the power of 5. The bases are now the same. When the bases are the same, it implies that the powers are identical. So we now equate the powers. So the powers on the left side are 2n minus 3. On the right, we have 5. Let's take this 3 to the other side. On the left, we now have 2n is equals to 5 minus 3. So this means 2n is, 5 plus 3. So this means 2n is equals to 8. To get the value of n, we divide both sides by 2. So by 2, 1, by 2, 1. So we are left with n is equals 2 by 2, 1, by 2, 4. So the value of n is 4.